So if after turning on your AC you get cold air from one side of your car, for example the driver's side, and then you get warm air from the other side, then it means your AC actuator is working, but it's just out of sync. So to reset your AC actuator, start the engine. Note, if you have got sync button, make sure to first turn that on. Make sure AC is off. Turn the direction of the flow to the front. Put the fan speed to the max and change the airflow to recirculating, and finally make the temperature to be at the lowest. Now let it to run like this for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put the temperature to maximum. Leave the fan to the maximum and again run it for at least 5 minutes. Your car might get very warm, so feel free to leave the car. And now after 5 minutes, your AC actuator should be resetted, and now if you would turn the temperature to the lowest and turn on the AC, you should be able to get cold air from the both sides of your car. If this video helped you to save some money, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And you can find more of my videos on the screen and in the description.